reset the carburetor with the crank trigger. So I think we're all set. We'll probably take it out tonight and run it around. I'll put my regular cap back on. Just took a backup cap and used a step bit to put a hole in it. Phase in the rotor. So we're right there on the number 1. All right, guys. Crank trigger install complete. Also, yeah, all the new gauges are working. Water temp, oil pressure, voltage, and then of course here's the stock temp is still working. Here's the tag. Vacuum gauge still working. That's very easy. Wanted to get it up to full temp and make sure that water temp gauge is working. So we're good to go, guys. We'll take it out here and see what we can do.